Off the cuff games for confidence were seriously, not so seriously, so much fun. At first, I didn't really expect to enjoy making up silly characters and doing silly voices, especially with my relatives. But everybody ended up loosening up and having so much fun with it. I was really surprised. I mean, we just laughed and we were silly together and we played together in a way that I can't even remember the last time I got to play like that with my parents and my family. It was a really great experience. Even the next day, I found myself in the kitchen doing dishes, making up songs and singing about doing dishes. My partner and I had a full-on conversation in song, like some kind of musical that we were just making up off the top of our heads. These games, not only are they fun, but they help to activate some kind of creative potential within that I forgot how to even access with my analytical day job and super serious adulting stuff. We kind of forget how to play, and these games, even though they sound weird at first, they totally unlock that playful child within that then allows this free flow state of creative potential and energy and a lightheartedness that you get to bring with you into all other areas of your life. And of course, a confidence, because when you don't take yourself so seriously, you get to be a lot more confident and freely express yourself as you are.